In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious tropical frizz refresher. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need
1 cup of mango diced, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 lemon juice, fresh fruit, sparkling water, and ice. In a blender, start by adding the mangoes, pineapple juice, orange juice, and the lemon juice. And we're going to blend this until it's completely smooth. We're going to set this aside for later. In a large pitcher, we're going to add some ice. Over the ice, we're going to pour the drink we made earlier. Add 2 cups of sparkling water. Add our fruit pieces and mix together. We're going to pour our refresher into a glass.
Our tropical frizz refresher is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.